What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and a bit of an impromptu video this evening. So we just took a quick little visit down to Huddersfield. We're currently outside Shack Specialist Cars, and we've ended up seeing quite a few nice cars, as you will have seen with a couple of the previous clips. I've pretty much got everything that we've seen on camera so far, with the exception of a silver RS7 Performance which I got on my Instagram story. But yeah, I'm just with Nick today. We've just jumped in the car and we're going to have a little drive around and see if we see anything. But yeah, so far we've been here about half an hour if that, and it's been an eventful evening, so yeah, onwards.
Go chase some cars.
Aye. So we've got a tasty Tornado Red Mark 5 Golf GTI there, and then just in front of us here a silver SQ7, nothing too mad but still pretty nice all the same. Smart. We've just come across this Mini. I'm not too sure. No, I was gonna say, is that a GP3, but no, it's not. It's a F56 JCW with the Union Jack tail lights and an interesting rear spoiler. Nice military green RS5 there, RS4 B8 there, but more importantly 4580 Italia. Oh, that's an AMG GT63S, I missed it. So we're just currently in Murfield and I've just missed a white 2017 GTR, damn it! Nice V8 Vantage there alongside a Smart for 2 Brabus. So just en route to Wakefield now, and we missed another 2017 GTR, a black one this time, although I'm not sure. I think that, I don't know if it's one that we've seen before, F1 on the number plate. I don't know if it's the one that I've filmed in Dewsbury before. Also missed a grey E63S earlier as well, but did capture a V8 Vantage and just now an F80 M3 competition. Old Cadillac STS there, that's quite a rare sight in the UK. Pretty cool. You won't really be able to see it too clearly, but that is my first GI Yaris there. Nice. So yeah, we were just driving around and we came across this really cool tunnel here with some nice graffiti and some nice lighting here. We were going to get some sound clips of this VXR. Hey up. We're going to get some sound clips of the VXR going up and down a couple of times, and then we were joined by this little lot, that 220D that just flew past, a Bora, very cool pink Subaru, and the T5 Volvo behind us, Chris's, which you'll have seen on the channel a couple of times if you're a regular viewer. Yeah, pretty cool.